Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing your data so you can experiment without risk. Back up to Google Drive and confirm 100% sync. Once done, choose a color palette that guides all choices: wallpaper, accents, icons, because consistent color creates a cohesive look. Next, fit a slim case and tempered glass that complement the palette. Add a low-profile magnetic ring if you use a car mount. These first steps balance protection with style, so you can modify visuals freely and safely. Now you overhaul the home experience. Install a customizable launcher to control grid size, gestures, and set 1 to 3 home screens for focus. Then create minimalist widgets. Use KWGT or the stock widget editor to display a clock, weather, and essential shortcuts. This reduces clutter and highlights your aesthetic. Apply a matching icon pack and adjust icon size to around 90 to 110% so icons feel neither cramped. Finish by aligning system accents and enabling dark theme where it suits your palette. This keeps UI elements consistent across apps. Once done, organize the app drawer, create folders, hide rarely used apps, and toggle notification dots for a cleaner look. Finally, refine subtle animations and haptic feedback so interactions feel deliberate. If you run into issues, like slow performance or freezing, reset the launcher settings or clear its cache. That usually resolves hiccups without erasing your custom layout.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.